Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Xiaomi enhanced USB LED light. So this is the packaging in which it comes in, and if we take a look at the specifications of this thing, it says that so it's rated for 5-volt input, which is the rated voltage for a USB port. Its rated wattage capacity is 2.5 watts. Its output brightness is 135 lumens, and it says that this LED light is designed for Xiaomi power banks, which is the one I've got over here. So we're going to demonstrate what's so special about that, and also this LED light has a brightness control on it. You can see the little button over here. So yeah, 5-step brightness control, and yeah, you can also use this button to turn it on and off. So here you can see the LED light, and one of the awesome features is that you can adjust the shape of the LED light. So you can bend it like this, which makes it really flexible and easier to use. Alright guys, let's plug this thing in, and I've got the white balance turned to neutral. So I'm gonna be using the charger adapter so that we can measure the amount of current that this LED light draws. So let's go ahead. So right now it's turned off, so it's drawing 0 amps. I'm gonna press this thing and it'll turn on. So right now the LED light is at maximum brightness and it's drawing around 0.47 amps. And you can see how bright this thing is. The color tone of this LED is warm white. So let's calculate this thing. So 0.47 amps at 5 volts is around 2.35 watts. So it is very close to the rated power of this thing, which is 2.5 watts. Shows on the packet. But anyways, I was telling you guys about the color temperature of this thing, and this thing is really bright, and the color tone of this is 3200 Kelvin or 3000 K, somewhere between that. It's not really that yellow, but it is yellow. You guys can see, and it is really bright. You can easily turn off the lights and study over here. You can't really make out the amount of brightness in the camera, but yeah, it is bright. And it is really useful if you're going camping. Just plug in 2 of these in the power bank and you're good to go. So I'm going to demonstrate another feature which works only with the Xiaomi power banks. So if you can see there's a little button over here. So if you press this, the light will turn off. Even though this is on, the light has turned off. You can see it's drawing 0 amps. So, and if I press the button again, the light turns on. And yes, it does work with the USB ports on your laptop as well as desktop. You can see I have it here plugged in into my desktop. No problems. It'll also work with these chargers. Just make sure that the charger is capable of supplying 2.5 watts of power at 5 volts. And check this out guys, to my surprise this thing also worked with the USB port on the Sony home theater system I've got in my room. So I guess it'll work with almost any USB port which is able to supply it with enough current. No problems with the brightness. Alright guys, let's check out how much current this thing draws at different brightness levels. So you guys can see there is a little brightness control switch on the LED light. So if I press this, it'll go to the minimum brightness. There we go. So it's drawing around 0.08 amps at minimum brightness. Start turning this up. Turned up the brightness to 2. It's drawing 0.10 amps, 0.12. 3, and it's drawing around 0.18 amps. 4 is 0.25 amps, and finally maximum brightness draws around 0.46 to 0.47 amps. And yeah, you can press this button to turn the light off and press it again to turn it on. Alright guys, let's do a quick brightness test. So I've got the Xiaomi enhanced LED plugged in my power bank. So let's turn this thing on. And this is the LED at its maximum brightness. You can see it's really bright. If I press the brightness switch, this is the minimum brightness. Number 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see how bright this thing is. It's really cool. So I'm gonna plug in one more of these and let's see how bright it becomes then. You can't really see it on camera, but it's really bright. Looks like the camera is messing up with the automatic brightness, but yeah, 2 of these. And for a little comparison, I've got the older one plugged in as well. So I'm gonna turn this off, and this is just the older one. You can see the newer enhanced LED light. The color tone of the newer enhanced LED light is much better than this one. So I'm gonna keep this here, and these are the newer ones. Hope you guys get an idea on how bright these are. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and do stay tuned for more videos like these, and leave a comment down in the comment section to let me know what do you think about these Xiaomi enhanced LED lights. So I'll see you all later.